Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 25th September 2021. Here I am going to start today's Amazon's amazing 5 quiz questions. Here Amazon's main page opened here, from there to home page. You can find some categories here, programs and features. I am clicking. So in that some subcategories in that fun zone, where you find daily quiz questions. Fun zone page opened here, win prize every day. And I am going to click on today's quiz questions here. So quiz time, answer and win new prizes every day. Now running 24 hours, starts at 12 a.m. I am going to start by clicking on play now button. So one more page opened here. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. If all 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance of entering the lucky draw, and also chance to win Amazon Pay. That is, today's amount is rupees 30,000. Now I am going to start by clicking on start button. This is most important for competitive exams, and also you can get the info in your social studies notes. On 9th August 1945, the United States dropped a nuclear bomb on Nagasaki. What was the bomb called? Repeating the question. On 9th August 1945, the United States dropped a nuclear bomb on Nagasaki. What was the bomb called? Here the options are fat man, fat girl, little boy, little girl. Which one you are guessing? So whenever you see the all 5 questions and options, keep in mind any one questions option, and after completion of the GK, test how many questions were right and how many were wrong. Like that you can test your learning skills daily along with that information which I provide in every video. I am adding some more info. Fat man, also known as Mark III. Mark III is the code name for the type of nuclear bomb that was detonated over the Japanese city of Nagasaki by the United States on 9th August 1945. 9th August 1945. It was the second of the only 2 nuclear weapons ever used in warfare. The first being little boy, that is a little boy, and its detonation marked the 3rd nuclear explosion in history. It was built by scientists and engineers at Los Alamos Laboratory. It was built by the scientists and engineers at Los Alamos Laboratory using plutonium. They used the plutonium from the Hanford site, and it was dropped from the Boeing B-29 Super Fortress boxcar piloted by Major Charles Sweeney. So the pilot of Boeing B-29 piloted by Major Charles Sweeney. So as per the question, the option is the first one, that is a fat man. On 9th August 1945, the United States dropped a nuclear bomb on Nagasaki. The bomb name was Fat Man. So I am clicking on the first option. I think you guessed the same only. So the side came here. Now moving to the second question. Which WWE superstar plays the role of a peacemaker in 2021 movie Suicide Squad? Which WWE superstar plays the role of Peacemaker in the 2021 movie Suicide Squad? Here the options are The Miz, John Cena, Shawn Michaels, HHH, Triple H. Whom are you guessing? Very interesting question. And it is a feast for the WWE superstar watchers. So I am adding some more info. The Suicide Squad is a 2021 American superhero film based on DC Comics featuring the team Suicide Squad. Produced by DC Films, Atlas Entertainment and the Safran Company and distributed by Warner Brothers. It is a standalone sequel to the Suicide Squad, that is a 2016 film, and the 10th film in the DC Extended Universe, DCEU. It was written and directed by James Gunn. In the film, a task force of convicts known as the Suicide Squad are sent to the island nation of Cato Maltese to destroy evidence of the giant alien starfish Starro the Conqueror. So, in this movie, John Cena acted as Christopher Smith, rough Peacemaker, a ruthless, jingoistic killer who believes in achieving peace at any cost. Gunn told Cena not to read any Peacemaker comics before filming, and Cena originally approached the role with an angular drill sergeant, full metal jacket, SQ personality, before Gunn told him to act like a Dodgy Broy Captain America. Gunn added that the character was straight out of a 1970s television series like Wonder Woman. So as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is John Cena. So John Cena plays the role of Peacemaker in the 2021 movie Suicide Squad. So I think you guessed the same. So I am clicking on the second option, John Cena. Superb, you seem to be a champion game here. Now moving to the third question. India were bowled out for 78 in the first innings of a test match played at which venue in England in 2021? Repeating the question. India were bowled out for 78 in the first innings of a test match played at which venue in England in 2021? Here the options are Lords, the Oval, Headingley, Old Trafford. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. India were all out for 78 in their first innings on the first day of the third test here at the Headingley on Wednesday. This is India's third lowest total in England. Rohit Sharma 19 and Ajinkya Rahane 18 were the top scorers for India. James Anderson started the right, picking the first 3 wickets. He had KL Rahul 0, Cheteshwar Pujara 1 and Virat Kohli 7 caught behind. So the brief scores are as follows. India 78 all out in 40.4 overs. Captain Overton 3/14, J. Anderson 3/6, O. Robinson 2/16, S. Curran 2/27 versus England. The answer is the third option, that is Headingley. So India were bowled out for 78 in the first innings of a test match played at Headingley venue in England in 2021. So I am clicking on the third option, Headingley. I think you guessed the same only. Superb, you seem to be a champion game here, you can see. Now moving to the fourth image, it is a feast to the social students and GK lovers and competitive spirited personals. Which Chinese province is the largest of these statues located in? So what are these largest statues and where it is located? Repeating the question, which Chinese province is the largest of these statues located in? So look at the image. Here the options are Sichuan, Qinghai, Yunnan, Hunan. Which one you are guessing? You can see the giant Buddha statue here. So I am adding some more info. Sichuan is a landlocked province in southwest China, occupying most of the Sichuan basin and the easternmost part of the Tibetan plateau between the Jinsha River on the west and the Daba Mountains in the north and the Yungai Plateau to the south. Sichuan's capital city is Chengdu. The capital city of Sichuan is Chengdu. The population of Sichuan stands at 83 million. And about the image, the Leshan Giant Buddha, it is called the Leshan Giant Buddha, is a 71 meter, that is 233 feet tall stone statue built between 713 and 803 during the Tang dynasty. During the Tang dynasty, it is carved out of a cliff face of Cretaceous red bed sandstones that lies at the confluence of the Min River and the Dabu River in the southern part of Sichuan province in China, near the city of Leshan. The stone sculpture faces Mount Emei with the rivers flowing below its feet. It is the largest and tallest stone Buddha statue in the world, and it is by far the tallest pre-modern statue in the world. It is one of the 6th World Cultural Heritage Sites in the province of Sichuan. So as per the question, the answer is Sichuan. So Sichuan Chinese province is the largest of these Buddha statues located. So here I am adding the first option, Sichuan. So superb, you seem to be a champion here again came. Now moving to the last question, that is 5th question, and the second image. Look at the image. Which biological process do grapes undergo in order to produce this type of alcohol? You can see a glass, a fine glass with alcohol in it, maybe wine it is. So, which biological process do grapes undergo in order to produce this type of alcohol? So, here the options are digestion, tropism, fermentation, hybridization. Which one you are guessing? So, it is a feast to the biology students. So, I am adding some more info about this question. Fermentation is a metabolic process. You can learn thoroughly this for examinations also. What is meant by fermentation? Fermentation is a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substrates through the action of enzymes. In food production, it may more broadly refer to any process in which the activity of microorganisms brings about a desirable change to a foodstuff or beverage. The science of fermentation is known as zymology. Repeating, the science of fermentation is known as zymology. This is very important. And the process of fermentation in wine making turns grape juice into an alcoholic beverage. During fermentation, yeasts transform sugars present in the juice into ethanol and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is fermentation. I think you guessed it same. So grapes do undergo in order to produce this type of alcohol is called fermentation biological process. So here I am clicking on the third option, fermentation. So Bangan came here. So today's 5 out of 5 questions right. As appreciation, you can see here, well done. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 30,000, and you can check the winners list on 26th September 2021. Keep learning and enhance your learning skills for competitive exams as well as your daily studies. Rock with learning skills. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.